This is what slime is. Laundry detergent and glue. And it's a freaking gross mess as it's getting into a blob. Ugh. Why did I start this? The first batch that Shiraza, whatever her name was, told us to use baking soda and water and whisk it and make it like thicken that way. And, oh my God, I just gave her a huge thumbs down because she was awful. No directions. Don't follow that video. And then we watched this little kid who said he put a detergent, and with a glue, and then need my glue, and then he get my. This is good. Show us the squishy ball. Where's the stress ball? Because Mama needs the stress ball after this. I'm sorry, City of Raleigh, what I put down this drain tonight. Let's see. This is the finished product with the fishnet hose. That's pretty cool, though, huh? All right.
Feels good.
Yeah, I need it. This one is a little bit tacky, so we add a little bit more water detergent. Just a little. Now. Okay. Karina Garcia, that's her name. Don't ever follow her YouTube videos. She's hateful. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, y'all, this is getting good.
Y'all.
Oh my God, you should see it. Look at this. That's my thing. I'm gonna stick it in there. Oh God. Oh God. Woo. All right, Emily and I are having way too many sillies tonight. All right, let me shove it. I gotta shove it in there.
Go back down.
See, that's pretty cool. That's all
That's
right.
pretty cool.
I can't fit it all in there because then once you put it in the balloon, if too much is in there, then it'll start coming out the top. Got another accident. Okay, all right, hold on, here, give me this. No, that's too much. I think this stuff's too sticky.
We make an awesome YouTube channel.
This is a great YouTube video. All right, and then you stick. Wait, I need my other hand. Hold it. Okay, all right. All right, see how easy this is? Oh God, I'm tearing up. I can't see.
Just saying, I get it.
It's going. It is going. See? Look at it. Don't hold it too tight around the neck now. This is her one hand and my one hand. We're going to do it. Teamwork. It's almost all in there. Roxy's like, what? She's actually pretty nervous about the thunderstorms. So. All right. I got to put my phone down. We'll show you the finished product with our next video.